So you might be in a situation where for some reason the sound on your Samsung Galaxy Tab is just not working, and you might be trying to figure out a way to go ahead and fix this. Now, the very first thing I'd recommend doing for the most part is just going through and making sure that you have your sound enabled and on your particular Galaxy Tab. So if you can find your volume buttons, go ahead and bring up or bring down the volume depending on what you're trying to do. So if you're trying to bring up or bring down the volume, just go and try doing that. But also, if there's a particular sound that's not working for you, click on the three dots that's right there in your sound bar, and this panel is going to come up. If your alarm sound or your ringtone sound or one of those things are the issue that's not going off, you may just want to go ahead and adjust those levels. So click on here, click on the three dots, and go ahead and see if it's one of these sounds that are like kind of not working. If it is in fact one of these sounds, you'll probably just have to go ahead and kind of fix it by either adjusting the volume sounds that way, and that's pretty much the main thing you can do in that particular case. Now let's say you do that and that's not working. Well, you may want to make sure that the sound or the game or video that you're playing with in and of itself, that there's no mute option enabled. If there is a mute option enabled, that's probably going to be another issue. So what you're going to want to do there is just go ahead and basically untake that, basically just go ahead and just remove that, mute option on that particular game or that application or whatever it is, and that can probably help fix the issue as well. So that's another thing I'd recommend taking a look at. If that's still not working, you may want to try restarting your particular tablet. So just restart it, hold down the buttons that you normally would to restart your tablet, and that can probably end up fixing the problem as well. And if that's still not working, you may want to make sure there's not like a Bluetooth device connected to your particular tablet. So inside of your settings application here, you may just want to go under connected devices, just make sure that there's no like other Bluetooth devices connected or anything like that, because if there is, that may end up causing some problems as well. So that will pretty much cover it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.